Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. What's up YouTube? It's Tough Jungwoo.
And here's Egos.
Ashley.
No!
Today we are going to Okurubu for Halloween event. Let's go.
Hola.
Who is faster than you? We are here, the Okurubu Amphitheater Center. This is the first time. Let me see what they do have. My friends are already here. I have to call her. And then same Ashley. 11, my 11.
Say Egos.
Ego. Ooh.
I don't know.
The trick or treat.
What do you choose? This one right here. How do I go in?
Oh.
Is it candy?
Oh, yeah, that was candy.
Nah, I'm not going to.
Get it.
No, I'm not going to.
Okay, whatever. Oh, you're so funny. Go, go, go. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Thank you, ma'am. Trick or treat. Thank you.
It's under in my cup.
Oh, awesome. Over there. Trick or treat. Jurassic Park. Is that Jurassic Park, the guy?
Can I pet it?
Oh, you ask it. Hi, baby. Say thank you. She's 11.
Love it.
Trick or treat. Coralie. Say thank you. Hi, thank you. Trick or treat.
I got a math question for you. What's 5 times 5?
Wow! Say, me too, me too. No, I'm joking. Trick or treat, trick or treat. Say thank you. Say trick or treat, thank you. Trick or treat. Say thank you. Yup. Oh, you know, right? Maybe next to you. Oh, pick it up. Yup. Say thank you, sir. Say trick or treat. Where is it? I can see it. Say thank you.
Why are you recording me?
Watch out. Why couldn't not touch it?
You touched the cow.
Watch out, baby. Be careful.
You almost ate my hand.
Oh my goodness. Oh. 이사 만지고 손 닦아야 돼, 손. We done? We done? What do you mean done? Oh. Oh, that is full. Isa, what is that, this one?
I don't know.
You don't know? Watch out, baby. If we have food, they come to you.
How do we get your feet from that crazy?
Oh, water.
You about to hit outside?
Let's go, let's go. hopefully not
Me,
too
all four of
scary.
us together.
Whew, yep. Oh my gosh.
Bro, that's not even real.
Oh.
I'm covering my ears. No.
Oh.
I'm gonna hallucinate right now.
I don't want to cry. You said let go your hands. You say you're not scared. Oh. Let me get you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Ah, yeah. Oh my gosh. Follow me. We are waiting Ashley's food. She wants a taco. This is a taco food truck.
Mom, I'm using my.
Now we are going home. Did you have fun?
Mark.
Huh? Did you have fun? Answer.
That's a yes.
Yes.
That
She said
means yes. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.